Hello, this is a video for how to participate in NGSS chat on Twitter. It's a Twitter chat that involves people who are interested in learning more about how to implement NGSS standards in their classroom, as well as the framework and other things that are science education related. The chat happens every first and third Thursday of the month and runs for 30 minutes to an hour on those nights. The first thing you need to know is how to participate in a Twitter chat. A Twitter chat involves a hashtag, and a hashtag is just a pound sign with any group of letters or numbers after it. So we will start by putting in the pound sign with NGSS chat following it and do a search. When you do a search with a hashtag, all the most popular tweets on that hashtag will pop up towards the top. That's why it's called the top. This one actually has Trisha Shelton. She's one of the co-creators of NGSS chat. And you can see in her tweet here that she's got a couple of different hashtags. And the one that we're looking for is NGSS chat. If I want to see more tweets, more recent tweets, all I click is latest, and that will show us the most recent tweets in the column of tweets that pops up. One of the benefits of a hashtag is that it allows people who aren't following each other to apply the hashtag to their tweet and then search the hashtag and find others who they may not be connected with and share ideas with. So it's kind of like a digital bulletin board. So hashtags are great because if you include a hashtag, then anybody who's searching for that hashtag can see what you posted and you can connect that in that way. So it makes a whole new world of people to connect with, easy to find. So besides searching for the hashtag, in order to use the hashtag, all you have to do is include it in your tweet. And once you've done a search for it on Twitter, it's real easy. If you start a new tweet, it automatically puts the hashtag in there for you. So then you just add your comment and then push the tweet button and it will show up in the feed in a moment or so. So to demo how hashtags work again, if you come down to Trisha Shelton's tweet and click on the hashtag learning together, it will show you other people who posted on that hashtag recently, especially if I click latest. And if you scroll down, then you'll see others who are sharing ideas about learning together. And sometimes in the process, you come across other interesting and useful hashtags. This one's pretty general though, but still, now you can see kind of the power of hashtags. NGSS chat is like many other organized Twitter chats, which include a Q1, A1, or Q2, A2 format. The moderator will ask a question, and the first question will have Q1 for question 1, and then participants will respond to the first question or Q1 with A1 for answer 1. For instance, demo, you like whatever, and then A1, I like whatever. Part of the reason for doing this is to help people understand what you're trying to say and what question you're answering. When you have more than 5 or 10 people in a chat, it makes it a little bit confusing if you don't include A1 or Q1 for questions and answers. Seems to be pretty effective and helpful. Side conversations and off-topic conversations within the chat are highly encouraged. It's meant to be a highly collaborative activity where you're talking with anybody who's in the chat about the topics that you find interesting as it relates to the chat. If you get completely off topic, that's fine too. And so to interact with people on the chat, what you do is you hit reply on something they've said that you find interesting and you want to respond to. Hit the reply button, type in your message, and then include the hashtag. That way others can see it too. Now, you don't have to include the hashtag, but maybe what you're saying is actually on topic and you feel it's worth sharing, and so then you include the hashtag. One thing that can be laborious is to continue to add the hashtag. So what I do is I use the keyboard shortcut copy and paste with Control C to copy and Control V as in Victor to paste. That way, the next time I want to include the hashtag in a comment or whatever, I just Control V it in there and it will be in for use. And then hit the tweet. Now, sometimes people will say things that you feel are really important or worth sharing again. So one way to promote a tweet is to retweet it. So you hit this little circling arrow and then you can retweet just as is, or you can quote it and add a comment above it. And hopefully your typing skills are better than mine. And then also include the hashtag, Control V to paste it in there, and you're good to go. When you retweet something, it actually adds the tweet back to the top of the hashtag search. It also allows all your followers to see it, and so you're promoting the idea. Now, not all retweets are promotions or endorsements, so keep that in mind. If you've gotten a retweet, that doesn't necessarily mean they support what you say, but it can, and often it does. Sometimes in a chat, someone may reply to you with a follow-up question for a comment that you've had. And the way you're going to see that is you'll notice that your notifications little bell here will have some numbers by it representing how many notifications you have, either from likes, retweets, or replies. So to see what they've said or what's going on, you just click on your little notification, and it'll take you to your notifications, all of them, and your mentions. When you're done replying or responding here, you can just click on the hashtag from one of the tweets again, and it'll take you back to the search for NGSS chat. Or you can do the search bar and add the hashtag in there again, and you're set. So that's the basics of how to participate in a Twitter chat, specifically NGSS chat. It can be a very empowering experience as you learn from others who are on the road to understanding a particular topic, or just want to have some positive interaction with other educators. There's some great education hashtags out there. Just do a Google search and you'll find them. And anyway, so I hope this helps. Thank you.